Hi, my name is Lowell Bennett, and I'm a student here at Merritt College in beautiful, sunny Oakland, California. And I'm especially excited to be talking to you today because there's something really great going on at the Learning Center. It's called Learning Center Presents, and this is a series of workshops to help us succeed here at Merritt College. The first of these workshops I'm especially excited about because I'll be presenting it. With the help of some of the professors here at Merritt College, I've developed a process, a step-by-step process, that can make essay writing much more efficient. Many times we kind of dread having to write these essays because they're so time-consuming. Well, with this step-by-step process, it makes everything go much faster and can save you a lot of time and help you produce an excellent essay. Now, the first of these workshops is going to take place on Tuesday, March 20th at 12:30 p.m. And we'll be redoing that workshop on Wednesday, March 21st at 2:30 p.m. We're going to have them down in the Learning Center, L137. And for those of you that don't know, the Learning Center is located in the library building, the L building, on the lower floor. Now, an extra word for those of you that maybe haven't been to the Learning Center. I think it's the best place on campus or really anywhere to study. We have computers there, we have tutors there, impromptu study groups arise. So I always tell students, my classmates, don't go home to study. Stay on campus, go to the Learning Center. You'll get your work done and done much more quickly. So again, I hope to see you March 20th and 21st at the Learning Center. See you then.